Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a quick little update for you guys, because I just got this guy in the mail. It's from one of my lot unboxing video that they didn't put it in by mistake. I got it, finally, today. Today as I'm recording this. Yeah, I'm going to be posting this today, so. Here's a little update for you guys. Also, my main GT, Plastic Gen GT today. So yeah. And also I got him today. A brand new, pretty much brand new, Dronzer F. Because this piece broke. Now I have Black Dronzer and Dronzer F. New, and also I have the whole team again. Dragoon F, Trigger F, Drasil F, and Hopper, Kenny's Bay. I'm planning on putting stickers on this, but yeah. At the time that you probably are watching this, I'm at work. Wish me luck. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.